Presenting Sintex Underground Water Storage Tanks and Wastewater Treatment Products. These products are made of FRP. FRP stands for Fiberglass Reinforced Polymer, which is strong yet lightweight building material that has no corrosion. As these tanks are underground, they are subjected to a lot of soil pressure from the sides, top and bottom. Hence, FRP is the most appropriate material to make these tanks. Being underground tanks, these also entail better space utilization above. These tanks are most relevant for water storage as they are FDA compliant, hence can store potable water. Also, they are free of rust and corrosion, which gives them lifelong durability. Unlike RCC and metal tanks, there is no likelihood of leaching and contamination of water in FRP underground tanks. As they are corrosion-free, they are 100% leak-proof and hence there is no chance of soil contamination when used for sewage treatment applications. Being underground, these wastewater treatment plants do not release bad odor in the air.
Sintex पानी अपना साफ सेफ सही